Never seen one before. How about you? Have you ever seen one like that before?
No, I haven't. I like it.
It's for sale. You can buy it. It's for little people.
15,000. Who do I pay?
Who do you pay? Is that what you said?
Yeah, wallet out.
You're a goober.
I always put one of those years with a convertible. Yeah.
Oh, it's Tara. She's trying to get in it. We're all walking with our friends. Han, Jenny, Tara. Hi, Jenny.
Yeah.
She said hello. Checking out all the old cars. Todd's taking pictures with the camera. We're just looking, so you're along for the ride. With each truck.
Logging this?
Yeah.
Those are nice.
Aren't they nice?
Yeah. Here's what I think. With this one?
Yeah?
Yeah. I could shrink the racks a little bit. Put them right down.
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work, babe. Ranchero. Nice.
Pretty.
All kinds of cars everywhere.
I say we could have a classic car and hang doors at the same time.
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work real well, babe.
Here we go.
Look at this. Thunderbird. I don't know what year it is. What year is it? 55. That's a hard top convertible though. They probably got the soft top too.
Believe it or not, Poppy's in better shape than that.
Yeah. There it is, babe. That's what you wanted. Station wagon.
What's funny is I owned a bunch of these cars, didn't know they were going to be classics someday. I owned them, I paid $400 or $500 for them. Now they're worth $13,000. 71 Mach.
Look at this car. 71 Mach 1 Mustang. Nice.
It'd have been good too. He told me, he said one day it'll be worth some money. He said it's a good buy. He was in the Mustang.
Look at those cars over there. Look.
Yeah, one day it went, oh, that's what I like. You don't see that every day.
That's like a limo.
I don't know what that is.
Wow, look at that one.
More cars. But this is the one I wanted to kind of see. I wanted to see what this was. Chrysler 300. That is cool. Here, I want one of these. This one's really nice. I like the color. A Fury. And that one's nice too. Pontiac. What you think, baby?
Cars. I think I saw some cars.
Yeah. Now we're gonna.
A lot of them are expensive.
Now we're heading back to the house. We have some Gold Star chili.
Oh, that's gonna be
My
good.
dad bought it for us in some cans and brought it to us. We don't get to have that down here
Yeah.
in Tennessee. So we're
Gold Star is gonna be good.
Conies and three-way. Three-way. Three-way.
They're gonna be
Carol wants a
delicious.
three-way. So we will see you
There's
later.
85 Bonneville.